What's up, YouTube? This is Dwayne, just Dwayne. And believe it or not, I was getting ready to edit this video, and the first part of the video that contained all of this was gone. So, I'm back with a video. As I promised, I was going to assemble a gingerbread house. It comes with everything you need. It has the assorted candies, the icing, which you use for glue, I assume, and the pieces. So, I can't believe that happened. I have a sidekick, cheerleader.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, I have a cheerleader that's on the sideline cheering me on. But this is the gingerbread house. It will not look like this, but it'll be my version of. Okay?
The gingerbread house. Come on.
The gingerbread house. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy this ride. Let's do it. Okay, I'm back. I had to get some scissors so I could clip the tip. Trying to make sure it's clipped. Oh, nothing's coming out of there. Damn. I know this is not going to go smoothly, but why is the tip got to be a little bigger? It's not. The icing is good though. You know, I had to taste it. Bad. Okay, tip is clipped. Now, what do I need to do? First thing, glasses. Oh, they say I need to massage the bag. You want one after this video? Yes. All right, that's massaged enough. Anything that's not breathing doesn't need that much of a massage. Okay. Arrange house pieces for assembly. Lay out house pieces on table. Pipe a strip of icing on the marked lines on the base, on the reverse rough side of front and back panels of a house. Okay. And this will not be eaten once it's done. I don't like hard cookies. I like mine soft. So this is gonna be small. This is the base. Ooh, it smells good. Why did see? And they should have had these pieces broken, because I have a mighty strange feeling that I'm going to break them like they're not supposed to be broken. I'm scared. You think I should get a knife? It broke. Clean break. Woo. Clean break. Clean break. Clean break. Yes. Okay. Let's put the piping here. I have to put the icing using the piping bag in these ridges. Ooh. Have any of y'all assembled gingerbread houses before? Ooh, good gracious. Now, I need one of these. I'll start here. One of these. Uh-oh. I think this is a two-person job here. Well, I'll do it like this. It smells so good. Wait a minute. That's not right. I mean, you sit up here and let me do it wrong. I did it wrong. Okay. And then same thing. Okay. For this side. I made it a little more glue, or not glue, icing. But that's this side. is not like this side. Something's going to turn out wrong, but it is what it is. Put a little cement to hold these bricks together. Oh, man. Fun part's gonna come when you decorating it. And now I will prepare to put on the roof. Say, cheerleader, you need to start talking some in my next videos, because people are going to believe you're not real. They're going to think I'm just sitting up here trying to act like I got a cheerleader. Clearly I have one. Y'all should see him. Y'all should see him. Period. You laughing at? Okay, now let's decorate this booger. See if we can get fancy. Put some little balls on the situation. It's so little. Can you see that? The light, let me see, hold on a second. The light is so bright. Let's see. An orange one, an orange one. And a blue one, a yellow one, a green one, a red one, another yellow one. No, that's not yellow. Yellow. Okay. Red one here. Red one here. Okay, I'm back. You can see some of the balls that I placed on there. See a red one, well, red one, blue. I can't even tell what color these are because of the light. But that's one side of it decorated. I'm feeling real confident getting ready to pick it up by the let's see. Beautiful. How's that look? Okay. Now, I'm gonna place this piece of peppermint. I'm getting some cheers over here. Do I want to put this on here or do I want to eat it? I think I'll put it on here. Yeah, I have a true cheerleader. Peppermint. Something just ain't going right up here. Let's see how we can get that top part to look better. Some of these. I never did stuff like this as a child. When Christmas time came, I couldn't care less. It's no way possible that I could have cared less about a piece of candy. I wanted toys. I didn't care about candy, food, any of that stuff. Give me toys, toys, toys. Red, purple, orange, yellow. Lord, my cheerleader, I must be bored. My cheerleader's over here yawning.
No, it's that orange.
Orange made you yawn. Okay.
That's my name.
Orange.
Orange.
Orange. All right.
Orange.
Orange. Now.
Orange.
Let's decorate this side. And see, they got all this. They don't even have enough icing in this pack to do all that stuff like that. I mean, really. Well, there it goes. My foot keeps slipping off of this stool. Orange, green, blue, orange, I'll never find that again. My fingers are too big or something. I don't know. Red. Yellow. And let's do another blue one. Period. Cheerleader, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is you.
Me. What color am I?
Toasted marshmallow.
Now. Toasted marshmallow. I'll take that. I'll take it. And y'all see me doing this. I'm gonna let y'all see it and I wish I had 3 or 4 cameras set up where I could do a really professional from all different angles and carrying on. This is actually fun. Okay. Dot. 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 Leave a little walkway for me to get in this booger. Yeah, my fingers are too big for these little balls. I was getting ready to say something. I didn't even say it. Oh, so y'all can see the front that I added a few more inducements to it right down here. I left a little walkway open, so you can't even see the door. I'm gonna have to put an outline on it so y'all can see the door. Uh-oh. The thing came in.
Great job.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
More. Give us more.
Give me your more. I'm giving you more. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait.
Use all the decorations.
No, we ain't gonna do all that. There's so many of those little balls. I'll be here all night.
Everything goes somewhere.
Yeah, and most of them gonna go in the trash.
Oh, no, Lord.
Eat
You don't know?
them?
Yeah.
These things are so hard they'd probably break my teeth.
And when I made it with my nephew, I ate them and they were delicious.
No, I don't believe that.
They were good. It tastes good.
Why did you eat them?
They were this pretty.
Yeah, but they were supposed to be for decoration.
They're jawbreakers.
They what?
They're jawbreakers. Taste one.
You can't make
I
me.
dare you. I dare you to taste one. Just taste one.
You dare me? I'm being dared to taste one, y'all.
The prettiest color. As a matter of fact, taste all the colors and see if it tastes different.
I'm sure they don't.
They probably do.
I doubt it.
Use your imagination.
Okay, I'm going to imagine this one tastes like
Blueberry. Let's go.
Fried flounder, coleslaw, French fries.
All that.
Let me see.
Horrible. I know you couldn't have got that from a piece of candy.
You know what I did get from it?
What did you get from it?
It doesn't taste good.
Oh, it tastes good to me though.
Well, you probably didn't have these particular ones.
Well, the ones that I tasted is because I don't know. I'm sorry.
See?
You did a great job. You really did in like such a short time.
I'll have these for sale, $80, $100 a piece, because this takes time. I'll even sign. I'll send you a card with my signature on it, authenticating it.
Butterscotch and pecans and chocolate pecans and different type of things.
No, a card.
Oh.
When you all were children, did you all put out cookies and milk for Santa Claus?
I did.
You did?
I did.
It wasn't those cookies that come in the round thing with like 3 rows of them, was it?
Made the cookies.
Y'all baked the cookies.
Baked the cookies and we broke them.
Y'all were bougie.
Stand them on the table. The Christmas tree. For the hard work of delivering the gifts for us.
He got cookies.
He got cookies. That was the exchange. Cookies and the milk.
Okay.
And for that, he should be grateful, and we were grateful as well for our toys.
We put out beer and pork rinds.
Oh, that's why he stayed fat.
He bought me. Well, see, I got gifts that other kids were supposed to get.
Yeah, that's why he was fat.
He was drunk.
He was fat. He was fat full.
He was drunk. Down.
Yes, down.
In the comments below, if y'all want to meet my cheerleader, let me know. It'll probably we'll do something live. We'll do a live stream on StreamYard.
Yeah.
And see that voice behind me. Beside me.
Yes, yes.
Beside you. That walks beside you.
Right.
It's not good to be the only one of you. Come on here. You need someone like you.
Absolutely.
That is not under you, but walks beside you. That doesn't have to compete with you.
Yes.
But can understand you. That can hold you. That can caress you.
All that.
All that.
All that.
Period.
All that.
I think I'm done, y'all. Wait, I gotta be fancy now. No, I'm messing up. Messing up. I'll leave that alone. But this is my gingerbread house. And I appreciate y'all so much being with me to, there it is. Ooh, something just fell off. Being with me to do this. I think it's cute. And you see it, this lighting is the pits. But there you have it. Thank y'all so much for tuning in with me again. I've enjoyed it. It would have been nice to have someone assist with this or even do it alongside somebody. I got the thumbs up. But yeah, this is my gingerbread house. Happy holidays to you all. You'll hear back from me again before or during Christmas. I have a party to attend on Christmas night. But happy holidays to you and yours. Love your family. Love your friends. Love everybody that you should be loving. Until next time, this is just Dwayne. I'm out. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment in the bottom of this video. Comment below. And let me know, did you make cookies and set out cookies for Santa Claus? And if you made these things right here. And also let me know if you'd like to meet my cheerleader. Until next time, it's been real. Bye.